Hey everyone, welcome back to LearnWeb Academy. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a fully functional online store in WordPress using WooCommerce. And we'll be using Woostify theme, which is lightweight, fast, and built specifically for e-commerce. Let's get started and launch your store today. First, let's install a WooCommerce optimized theme. Go to the Appearance section and click on Fields. Then we will click on this Add Me theme and we'll search for the theme here. Then click on Install Now and then activate. Now let's add the eCommerce functionality. Go to the plugin section and click on Add New and then search for WooCommerce. Sorry. Click on Install Now and then activate. Once activated, WooCommerce will guide you through the setup wizard. You'll click on Setup My Store and we'll click on this. I'm just starting my business. And we'll just name our store and the industry we are in, and then you can select the region, and then you have to enter your email address for notifications and just continue and click on continue. Now if you want to connect your store to WooCommerce WordPress.com, so you can do that, but I don't want to do that, so I'll just skip this step. Now here is what we have. Now we will now we will install Woostify starter template. So we will just go to the plugin section and click on Add New Plugin, and then just we can also do that on here on this section. You click on Starter Sites and click on Install. This will help us to import the ready-made demos of the e-commerce sites. Then we will click on this Activate Woostify, and then click on Start, and you can see that there are many templates. As you can see, there are many free as well as pro templates. These three are free and all the rest templates are paid. So if you need the paid templates, you can just contact us. We will activate the premium version of Woostify Pro in your site. So you will find the details for that in the description. But for now, we will go with the free version. Let's click on Select. And then click on Next. Now it has some set of plugins that is required to run with this run with this theme. So we'll just click on Install Now so that it will automatically install all these plugins. Now that it is done, we can go to the next step, which is importing the template. We'll click on start import. Now everything is imported, so you can now view your website. These are the products that came with it. So if you want to see that, you'll just click on this, and there's the product page, and these are the suggested products. Let's go to the checkout section now. Click on checkout. Now you can add your name and every details, and then you can just continue to do a delivery, and the order will get placed. As you can see, the store is not live currently, so we will have to make it live. Click on save changes. So yeah, it is live now. Now let me tell you that how you can add the products on your websites, on your website. So this is the product section, and on this all products you can see all the product that is listed on this site. So if you want to add a new product, you will just click on this button here. You can add your products by entering all the details here. And if you want to import products, import a list of products from maybe another website, or maybe you have the Excel file for that, you can just import it from there, from this section. And if you want to export the product from this website and you want to import that on another one, you can do that also. Now we'll go to the plugin payment section. Just go click on settings and go to payments tab. Now here you will be able to configure payments. If you want to maybe add payments like payment gateways like Razorpay or Phone Pay, or maybe any third party payments, like maybe if you are accepting cryptos, so you can uh, add the specific plugin for that through this plugin section, and then you will be able to configure that. And now if you want to change the logo of your site, you can do that here. Currently this is the logo that this site uh, came with. We'll click on this customize section, customize button, and then on the top you will see site identity. You can just edit your logo from here, and this is the five icon, so you can do that from here. We can also change your site title from here and add a tagline that will reflect here. And if you want to change the color, you can do that from here. And this is the menu section, and these are the header menu, as you can see on this side. All of customization can be done from here. And if you want to customize any specific things, so you can just edit the code from here. Or there are many plugins like code snippets that can help you to add more features to it by maybe custom code. I hope this video was useful to you and you would be able to create a WooCommerce stores, WordPress stores basically. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you.